In this video, we're going to be installing a 2007 to 2014 shift lever in my 2002 GMC Yukon. I want to give you guys a quick tutorial on how I did this. So first of all, you're going to have to get your old shift lever out. And how to do that, once you pull the bottom cover off and you pull this shift boot off, once you pull that shift boot off, there's going to be a little star bit screw in here. Let's see if I can find it. It's going to be this little guy. You're gonna need a Torx head to take that guy out. After that, you're gonna have to trace down an orange wire which clips in down here for the overdrive button. And on a 2002 model, get this column moved back up. On a 2002 model, that comes down here underneath the column, and it plugs into this little harness right here. And my color coding in my vehicle is a blue and a black. Disconnect this little plug right here, and then the whole thing should be able to come out of the truck. So once you get your old shift lever out, it's going to look something like this. It's going to be a little orange harness. It's going to connect right there, and then on the other end, it's going to be this little harness plug. So you have to cut the harness plug off the old shift lever. Once you solder them like that, make sure you heat shrink them, and you can wrap this in electrical tape. And make sure if you got it from a junkyard like me, you plug it down here in the harness, plug it back in here, and the harness plug right there. And hold it in your lap, turn the ignition on, make sure the tow haul mode works. You don't have to start the vehicle, just turn the ignition. Make sure it comes up here in the corner. Make sure tow haul clicks on and off. Once you got the shifter installed, you put the bolt back and everything. Using these stock clip connectors, you want to just go ahead and pop them in back in their location, which is down here and up here. And then what I did was down here underneath the column, ran the wire up. And if you have a little bit of slack, that's fine. Just run it down here. Then what you want to do is go ahead and connect this white cable connect back, and then I also put some zip ties here and one down here just to hold the slack. Then it clips in right here. If you guys are wondering about room, if you need to get your AC controls, go down here to drive. There we go. So I got plenty of room, and this is an aftermarket console I put in here. And then you still got plenty of controls to get your AC, touchpad, the radio, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Just wanted to show you guys me installing one of these newer style GM shift levers in my 2002 GMC Yukon. If you guys liked it, remember to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.